Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Shruti with love for fashion and lifestyle. Today's vlog is super special because it's my birthday vlog. Like every year, I celebrated it at home with my parents and close ones. And it was nothing short of perfect. I got my house beautifully decorated and the theme matched my outfit so well. The team really did a fab job. After that, we headed out for a fun dinner at Mansionaire by Roof, and honestly, I had a blast. So, stay tuned and join me as I take you through all the little movements that made my day unforgettable. So, let's get started. So, for my birthday this year, I again called the decorators who had done my setup last year. And trust me, they did not disappoint me. My cousin Siddhi actually shortlisted the decoration theme according to my outfit, and honestly, it turned out just perfect. The team did a fabulous job exactly as shown to them. And can you believe they finished it all in just 1.5 hours? The whole vibe was so beautiful, so aesthetic, and I'm so happy how it turned out to be. As you can see, it was the perfect backdrop to celebrate my special day. Once the decor was ready, I quickly sneaked in a little photo shoot while everyone else was still getting ready. And then Aradhya had ordered this cake from Theobroma. Now I usually don't eat sweets, but I have to say, this one was really nice. It was such a perfect start to the celebration, and I can't wait to share more birthday moments with you guys. So, stay tuned. Aradhya was in charge of the ring light, trying out different colors and brightness till we found the mood that worked. Trust me, he takes lighting very seriously. Then mom got the candles ready. Usually I don't blow out candles, but today, all for the sake of picture perfect moment, I actually did it. Anything for memories, right? So today was all about getting that one perfect shot. You know how it is. The right lighting, right angle, right vibe. We turned it into a whole family project. Abhishek was fully focused on getting the best photo shoots, angles, frames, patience. He had it all covered. And Siddhi was a behind the scenes director, capturing every little detail on video so nothing gets missed. As for me, well, I was basically running around everywhere, changing spots, checking lights, fixing the background because let's face it, we all want that one perfect click with just the right backlight. So now I will show you how we celebrate birthdays in true Maharashtrian style at home. For us, it's all about keeping traditions alive. We start with auction. It's our way of blessing the birthday person. The tika goes on the forehead and it's always special. That small gesture truly makes the day feel auspicious. Next comes the sweet, just a little taste as per tradition. Dhuri Kaki also joined us. The more the merrier. Having loved ones around only makes these moments better. So let me tell you about a super cute moment from today's birthday celebration. Siddhi was doing this for the second time As you know, with little ones, everything needs to be just right. The way they look, the way they sound, every detail counts. And honestly, we love supporting her perfectionist side. Of course, we kept going, retakes, giggles, and whole lot of fun. Watching her so determined in front of the camera was adorable and made the moment extra special.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shruti.
After the cake was cut and the candles were blown out, it was time for one of my favorite parts of any celebration, clicking photos with everyone. There were solo shots, silly poses, group selfies, and a whole lot of giggles as we tried to get everyone in the frame. It's these moments after the main ritual that really makes a day memorable. You can see the happiness radiate in every smile and candid shot. These photos aren't just for social media, they are little snapshots of joy, togetherness, and celebration that we'll treasure for years to come. Hi guys.
हाय आता आम्ही श्रुतीचे बर्थडे साजरा केलेला आहे. आता ती आम्हाला पार्टी देण्यासाठी नेत आहे.
हे कधी बोलली मी पार्टी देते.
हे बघ हे वाला बघ दीदी.
कोणता?
काय खायचं आंबोळ्या.
फायनली आम्ही डिसाइड केलंय रेस्टॉरंट जे ऑलरेडी बुक केलेलं ते तर आम्ही कॅन्सल केलंय. तिकडे आम्ही जात नाहीये. आम्ही आता दुसरं बुक केलंय. काय नाव आहे ते? मॅशनर. आम्हाला बोलता पण येत नाहीये. सॉरी. मला तुला येत आहे ना? बोल मग.
ब्लॉग बंद केल्यावर बोल.
तिचा बर्थडे आज. बोल ना रोसेसचा डायलॉग. ही आमच्या घरातली रोसेस आहे. ही सॉरी.
तिचं नाव बघू.
बरोबर आमच्या वेळेलाच आराध्याला पेट्रोल आठवण येते.
चॉपल टू काय स्कूटी थोडी. आता ब्लॉग मध्ये टाकलं तर भरून टाक. मग आता मी भरणार होतो. आता
तूच भरणार आहे.
आता तू भरणार.
आता मी नाही भरणार
या ब्लॉगनी जेवढे पैसे ना त्याच्यानी भरून टाक.
येतच ना पैसे.
आता येतील याच्यानंतर भरल्यानंतर.
अशा प्रकारे 2 असा माझा लॉस झालेला आहे बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गाय. मी सगळं रेकॉर्ड करते. कोण तुझा मजाक उडवताय? तू सगळं रेकॉर्ड करते.
सगळे गप झाले वगैरे.
आता लगेच चुप झाले. 2 मिनिटं पहिला आराध्याची बुराई करत होते सगळे पाठी बसणारे. जसं मी रेकॉर्डिंग चालू केलं आराध्याला प्रूफ दाखवण्यासाठी हे लोकांची तोंड बंद झाली. स्टेरिंग त्याच्या हातामध्ये. आम्हाला घरी पण जायचंय परत. खायचं पण.
अरे इथे मी सर्व्हिसिंग करायला.
We reached the restaurant and wow, this place is so lively and aesthetic. The ambience instantly lifts your mood with colorful decor and cheerful vibes. Every corner here seems Insta-worthy and the energy is contagious. It's really the kind of spot where you want to soak in the atmosphere before anything else. So what's first on our table? Yes, it's nachos. We couldn't resist ordering a plate as soon as we settled in. Crispy, cheesy and perfect meal to start. Can't wait to dig in and enjoy some quality time with good food and great company. So stay tuned for more of this amazing place. It got quite late and we had to drop Abhishek off at his hostel. My mom didn't want him to travel by train at this hour. We know how moms are, always worrying and keeping us safe. So this is the hospital where I work, and after a long day I had to come back again the very next morning. So yeah, that was it. The perfect end to a wonderful day filled with laughter, love and memories. Can't wait to share more moments with you all soon. Till then, bye. See you in the next vlog.